Hey, TechKnowStuds! We don't interact directly with the kernel. Instead, we actually interact with the shell. The shell is a software that's placed on top of the kernel, so we can interact through the shell and then operate this kernel, operate this computer. And so in this lesson, let's take a look at what that shell looks like. We can categorize the shell into two different types. It's either a command line or it's a graphical user interface, or what we call a GUI. The best way for me to explain what a shell is just to show you. I'm on a Windows box here. This is a Windows 10 machine. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click the Windows button or the Start button here and type in Task Manager and hit Enter. The other way to bring this up is just a Control-Shift-Escape, and that would bring this up as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scroll through here and I'm gonna show you that we have a Explorer, a Windows Explorer. So here's the Windows Explorer right here. That's what gives you this desktop environment right here with these different icons, gives us the taskbar down here. So we've got all of this that's being represented through this Windows Explorer. If I were to open up what we call a File Explorer, I'm gonna open up this File Explorer. We can see File Explorer here on the top. And so if I now take a look at Windows Explorer, it's going to show me that File Explorer is open in it. So it's part of this Windows Explorer. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut this down. So I'm going to right click on this and say End Task. And watch what happens. We lose that whole interface that we had. So that's the shell. We've just lost our shell. Now to get it back, what I can do is I can say File, Run New Task, and I'm going to type in explorer.exe. This is the program that is the shell. So I'm going to click OK, and now I've got it back because I've launched that program, and now I'm seeing the icons again and the taskbar. So there you go, there's the shell.